Hi friends, this video shows how to screen mirror Samsung Galaxy A16 to Google TV Streamer 4K. First we need to connect this mobile phone and Google TV streamer to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. In this mobile phone, let me go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go to connections, go to Wi-Fi. See, this mobile phone has connected to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. See, Google TV streamer also connected to same Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. This is very important. After that, in mobile phone, install Google Home app from Google Play Store. I already installed this app. Let me open. Then log in with the Gmail ID and password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. Google Home app will automatically search and detect Chromecast enabled devices in the same Wi-Fi network. See, Google Home app has detected this Google TV streamer. Tap on this name. Tap on customize screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. Please wait. See, it's working. So this way we can connect. And if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then just rotate the screen. That way we can switch display to full screen in TV. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to Google Home app. Tap on stop mirroring. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.